Bésame, bésame mucho. If Andrea Bocelli was performing at a karaoke bar, would you pay the same amount of money for that ticket than you would pay at an amphitheater? I critique mansions. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute video so you can binge watch it after each other. And in today's episode, we're going to review 1024 North Orlando Avenue, 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, 6,276 square foot, listed for $8,495,000, and it sits on a lot that is 12,217 square foot. Now, before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, come a little closer. The content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for educational and entertainment purposes. Real estate analysis is subjective in nature, and I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For all that stuff, you should contact the listing agent. Let's go. 3 things I love about this property. The 3rd thing I love about this property is landscaping. Who the hell brought this olive tree to America? This olive tree deserves to be on a national flag. I mean, like Lebanon has the, I think it's a cypress tree. If Italy was gonna have like a Lebanese flag, they should have put this olive tree in the middle. It's gorgeous, and not just this olive tree, the rest of the house is, the landscaping is incredible. The 2nd thing I love about this property is the interior design. This is like, it could be Clement's design or a copycat, but this style is super in California, in Los Angeles right now. And then you do the mellow photography, dim it down, a little melancholy, cup of coffee, just it's really in right now. The number 1 thing I love about this property is the fact that you are on the best street in West Hollywood. If you know anything about West Hollywood, you would know that the 1000 block of North Orlando has the biggest, fattest lots available anywhere. And if you want one of them, here's a beautiful one you can take. You can't find a better location, bigger lots in West Hollywood than 1000 block of North Orlando. There you go. You can have it. It's a gift from me to you. Now, before I tell you 3 things I hate about this property, I just gave you a gift. I gave you the 1000 block of North Hollywood, North Orlando. In return, I ask for a subscription, something. Just do something. Write a comment. Do something. Just return the favor. 3 things I don't like about this property. 3rd thing I don't like about this property is the architectural style. Look, if a white box, you throw in some black tile and slabs and marble on it, make it look like a zebra, it's still a white box, okay? Architecturally not significant, and I'm not impressed by these black glass edges of the balconies. And I can tell you, the finishes inside are not that good. I mean, the bathrooms, is that even tile or is that marble? And then you have plaster in the movie theater, and then the kitchen is black marble. It doesn't even go with the Clementine design. What the hell is going on? I'm not impressed. The 2nd thing I don't like about this property is Hanzai. And no, it's not a 5 Sigma industrial engineering Kaizen method, Japanese efficiency. No, it means crime in Japanese, and you don't know that because you don't follow my channel. Look, crime in West Hollywood is up through the cheesy, and that's not good. And brings me to a more important point, because this person has bought this property in 2021 for $6.7 million when the rates were 3%. And today, rates are not 3%, and they want $8.5 million for it. So why are they selling? Why would you sell a property in this market where the interest rates are, if you would let go of your 3% rate, you would have to get a 6% rate or 5% rate, and the market is just not ideal? You should ask these questions. Now, the number 1 thing I don't like about this property is the secret or raz of the 1000 block of North Orlando. Do you know what that is? There's a little dirty secret. As beautiful as these lots are, they happen to back up to 4 or 5 story apartment buildings, meaning you've got like 10-20 windows looking back in your backyard. And that's why if you're Andrea Bocelli, Bésame, bésame mucho, you're gonna have an audience looking down on you. And if that's your thing, then God bless you. This property is for you. Most of them are well hedged, but just be aware of the dirty little secret of North Orlando. Now, tell me in the comments if you think this property is gonna sell above what it was sold when this person bought it, 6.7, or below. That will be a good metric of where the high-end prices are compared to the prime 2021. Are we above that? Or are we below it? If you like this video, you will like one of these videos, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. For now, you need to get the hell out of here.